Hello, welcome back to City West Commercials and another new truck stock video. All the trucks in this new truck series are in stock and available for immediate delivery anywhere in the country. This classy looking Actros L has got the latest third generation 480 horsepower engine, the new version 2 MirrorCam with additional chrome covers. We have the BIGSPACE cab, full paint finish, air horns on the roof, and these very trick LED headlamps which come as part of the sight package. We have lead up ramps, sliding fifth wheel, extended catwalk, axle load measuring device in the cab and tyre pressure monitors. Inside the cab we've got a fridge, premium comfort mattress with mattress topper, multimedia interactive with the larger display screens and satellite navigation, a MirrorCam Switch at the end of the bunk area. Full details of this truck are listed in the link below this video, or contact citywestcommercials.co.uk for more information. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again next time.